So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. To install WhatsApp, go to the Play Store, then go to search and search for WhatsApp. Then click on install. And now after a moment it'll be installed, so you'll be able to open it. So let's open it. Then select the language. No, that's not the language I meant to choose. Then agree and continue, allow, then enter your phone number. So what I suggest doing is just go to your phone app, contacts, my profile at the top, then select either of your phone numbers. If you have multiple, press and hold, then click on copy, then paste it here, click on next, then click on yes if it's the correct one. Then it'll verify automatically. Continue, allow. It verifies automatically, as you can see. Now I'm gonna click on continue, allow. Then I'm gonna give permission to Google storage, because if I want to restore backups, then I need to give permission. I'm gonna select this account. Then I should have any backups for it, so let's give permission. Okay, I don't have any accounts, so I'm gonna skip that. But if you have backup on any of your accounts for that phone number, then you should be able to do that. Now I'm gonna click on next. Okay, I need to enter my name. Next. Now if I want to create a passkey, cancel. Then if I want to something, then add email, I'm gonna skip that. And now my account for WhatsApp is made. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.